In this video, how to select the desired instances from geometry nodes and how to invert the selection, and how to apply different materials to selected instances. And we'll look at ways to make the configured nodes more concise and controllable. Add a curve and click the Geometry Nodes tab. Click the New button to create new nodes tree. Add the Instance on Points node. Add a cube and connect it to the instance socket. Since the curved circle has 4 curve points by default, 4 cube instances are placed above the curve points. Add a resample curve node to create some more curve points. Reduce the size of the cube to make it easier to check. Add an index node and connect it to the selection socket. By adding a compare node and changing it to equal mode, we can select each instance independently. If we change float to integer, we can check it more conveniently. Index numbers are as follows. If the number of the compare node is entered as 0, instance 0 is selected. How do we invert this selection? That is, it is a case of selecting all instances except for instance 0. If we copy the compare node in equal mode, all instances except 0 are selected. Since equal value is 0, it is not equal. If equal value is 1, it becomes equal, and instance 0 remains selected as it is. If not equal mode, the case of value 1 inverts the selection. We can use it conveniently according to our own taste. Now, up to this point, individually selecting instances, we looked at reversing the selection. This time, we'll apply material to the selected instance. Add a set material node. Add a blue material and select it from the set material node. We can check it in material preview or the rendered view. Currently, blue material is applied to all other instances except for instance 0. In this state, we'll additionally select instance 0 and apply an orange material. Press Command J to group the nodes for selection except for instance 0. Copy the node group for selecting instances. Add a Join Geometry node. Copy the Set Material node. Add an orange material and change it in the Set Material node. Connect the group input and the index node. It is a state in which the same node groups are duplicated. If we mute the set material node with the blue material applied, we can see the orange material. If we delete the not equal node that was added from the node group that selected instances other than instance 0, only instance 0 will be selected. Up to this point, we have a look at the process of selecting each instance and applying different materials. However, if the node configuration becomes a little simpler, more diverse expressions will be possible. Unify the equal node that selects instances. In this way, whenever the selected instance changes, other unselected instances are also linked together, enabling more diverse expressions. We can also use less than instead of equal. We can also change the count of the resample curve. In this case, if you want to link also one resample curve node to control, if you arrange the instance cube, it will look cleaner. Add a curve tangent node. Add an align all vector node and connect them. Even with this kind of node configuration, some degree of expression will be possible. If you want a more diverse expression, you need to add more nodes. That's it for this video.